146. Portion 2 down the basement. Still got next 170, 175.
Yeah, like I didn't like walking my kids down.
Okay.
There was something going on.
Front of the building.
So I guess just tell us what we know so far.
All right, so we were called here early this morning for a medical run for 4 people feeling ill and one person who they were very concerned. So on arrival, the units found that supposedly we did receive high CO levels inside the building. There was a generator found inside the building that was not running at the time when we got here. So 4 were transported to Cornell Hospital. 1 was DOA on arrival. We had CO readings in the buildings next door to this building. We evacuated the building 2 doors down because there was some CO levels there. Those occupants have re-entered the building, and we're going to continue to monitor the CO levels till they're safe for police to do their investigation.
So 4 total victims.
No, 5 total.
5 total, 1 DOA, and the other 4 are in serious condition right now?
No, they're not in serious condition. They are in what EMS calls a green tag, which is very minor.
All 4 of those are in minor, those
Yeah.
other 4, okay.
And
the one who was DOA, can you tell us anything about that person? Age, sex, anything like that? No. Were they the ones who, the other 4, were they sleeping? Were they, what were they doing when this happened? Or what did they tell you?
I believe, I'm not 100% sure, I did ask, and it's going to be under investigation by the police department, but they were just inside the building with this individual. Supposedly, I guess he did not wake up in the morning, and that's when one of them, I believe, called 911.
Okay, but they were all, so they all went into the, like they all were out and then went into the building to check on this person? Just clear that up a bit, yeah.
From my understanding,
Yeah.
they were squatters inside the building that I had a history, somewhat of a little bit of a history of being in it.
Okay, and the 5th was also a potentially squatter in that building as well?
Yes.
Okay, okay. I'm trying to think of anything else. At this point, this street shut down.
Chief, the neighboring building, was it unoccupied?
Yeah, the neighboring building directly next door to this building is a building under construction. It was unoccupied. The building next to that was the building that was occupied.
And some folks had to evacuate the building, 2 buildings down?
Yes, so 2 buildings down, which was 207 is the address. We evacuated, I believe, 2 people out of that building, but they have been let back in already.
And no injuries to them?
No injuries to them. Minor CO readings in that building, but as a caution, they were taken out till they dropped even further.
What time were you guys called here again? Just after 6 o'clock this morning?
Yeah, they were called here at around 10 minutes to 7.
10 minutes to 7, okay.
Yeah.
And which, can you point out which one it is again? It's right there, the one with the door open?
The first, 211.
Oh, this one, okay. That's
211.
That's 211.
That's the building up there.
Okay.
Okay?
Perfect. Then can you spell your name, pronounce it for us?
SCHAAF.
Fred. Yeah, go
Fred
ahead.
Shaft, Vision 11.
Perfect. Thanks, Fred. I
Okay?
appreciate it. Thank you so much.
Thank you.